Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I've got a dirty table, but I'm getting ready to do another pour because I am using these colors that I love so dearly. I've got DecoArt 24 karat gold mixed with Floetrol, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. I've got Master's Touch Phthalocyanine Blue, Rouge, those are mixed, 3 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and I have Master's Touch. Now, this is Liquitex Basics Prism Violet, 3 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. This is Master's Touch Thick-Bodied Acrylic Cobalt Turquoise, and I've got about 4 to 5 parts of Floetrol to 1 part paint and water added to all those. There's no silicone in these colors. And I think I'm going to do a tree ring pour. And I'm going to use white as well. I've got a little bit of white left in my cup. I'm just going to wet the very bottom of the cup, and then I'll use my squeeze bottle for the rest of the white that I'm going to use. So I'm going to layer up my colors, and I'm going to kind of switch back and forth. Between the colors. All right, so I've got this 12 by 12 canvas with push pins on the back, and I'm going to just pour in the center, not super tight, and the paint is really fluid because I've got more Floetrol to paint ratio than I typically do, which is typically I use 1-to-1 ratio. And there's that little bit of white that's coming out there. And then I'm going to take what's left in my cup and just circle around just to get rid of the white in the cup. So really pretty colors that I've been working with, and I just love, 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 love the colors. So now I'm just going to tilt and find a composition that I like really well. Lots of turquoise. That turquoise really came out with a vengeance. Alright, so I'm not super crazy about this. It's pretty. It's just not as gorgeous as my other pours that I just did with these colors, so I'm a little disappointed because of the beauty of what I had just poured prior to this one. So I think what I'm going to do is pour a little color in my cup. I even have some left in this cup here. I don't know if I can get any more out. So I'll put a little white in the bottom. I'm going to let it come down to the edge of the dustpan first so that it's got an edge to start with. So if you don't like something, keep on playing with it till you like it. That's my only advice I can give you, is don't settle for something you're not crazy about. So I'm going to tilt a little here and there. Like that better. There's a green blob here that I'm not crazy about, so I'm going to just swipe through it. And if you have some shapes that you don't care for, just get rid of them. Stick my finger in the gold and just drag through. If it's not there, put it there. And I want a little gold right along here. It's better. I think I can deal with this now. I think I want something right here just because it's a kind of a wide open area that needs just a little bit of interest. So maybe I'll dip my purple with a little blue. Just drag it through. So you just kind of make it work into the flow of what's going on, and it doesn't feel so contrived. Like this is pretty bold right here in the middle. Stick in the metallic gold and just give it a little dash to tone it down. Maybe just a hint of blue with that gold. Don't want to do too much because it'll muddy it up. We want that pure color. So I'm going to live with this one. I'm pleased with that. I didn't have enough contrast between the colors in the cup for the tree ring pour, so that's why I just decided to just keep on embellishing it until I got it to a point where I liked it.